welcome to another home economics class. Today we have special guests here with us, the Butler kids. Yeah. Today we will be making a red cabbage salad with this red cabbage that has a lot of vitamins in it. And we will also use tomatoes.
We will add some pumpkin seeds to garnish up the salad.
Oh, and we're gonna cut this small onion into small pieces. I'm gonna shred the carrots. Squeeze the lime and cut it.
We're gonna get some olives, get 3 spoonfuls and cut them up into tiny pieces.
Then we're gonna use vegenaise.
And we're gonna cut up a cucumber and put it in the salad. Yeah.
Yum yum!
It's gonna be delicious.
And don't forget to like and subscribe.
Yeah.
Thank you!